Raise the presser foot. Take out the bobbin. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Guide the thread through the thread guide. Thread the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winding shaft. Push bobbin spindle to right. Connecting machine to power source. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold the end of thread, step on foot control pedal. When winding is fished. Cut the thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread trough the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread. And attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn off the power before threading. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot to release the tension discs. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Leading thread down right channel and up left channel. Ensure the thread is behind the thread take-up. Thread the guide from the right-hand side. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle hole. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Turn the handwheel towards you, lowering then raising needle. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot.